Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC with keyboard and mouse. First, you will need to choose a suitable Android emulator. GameLoop is highly recommended as it is the official emulator for PUBG Mobile, ensuring a smooth and optimized experience. Other options like BlueStacks or LD Player are also available, but GameLoop often provides the best compatibility. Make sure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 GB of free disk space for the emulator and game. Once you have selected your emulator, download and install it from its official website. The installation process is typically straightforward, taking only a few minutes. After installation, launch the emulator and navigate to its Game Center or search bar. Look for PUBG Mobile and click to install it. The game will download and install automatically within the emulator, preparing you for battle. With PUBG Mobile installed, it is time to set up your controls. Emulators come with default key mappings, but you can customize them to your preference. Look for a keyboard icon or settings menu within the emulator to access key mapping. Assign keys for movement using WASD, left-click for shooting, and right-click for aiming. You can also map actions like jumping, crouching, and opening your backpack to easily accessible keys. Save your custom layout for future use. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, optimize your emulator settings. Adjust the resolution and graphics quality within the emulator to suit your PC's specifications. For example, 720 pixels for lower-end systems. Enable hardware acceleration in your PC's graphics settings and set your power plan to high performance. Regularly clear temporary files and ensure your emulator is updated to its latest version. These steps will help minimize lag and provide a superior gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.